email composition in Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook offers several features to save time and boost productivity by reusing frequently typed text. By using signatures, quick parts, and templates, you can compose emails faster, ensure consistency, and reduce repetitive typing. Here's how to set them up and use them effectively. 1. Using signatures for reusable text. Signatures aren't just for adding your contact details. They're also great for inserting reusable text blocks into emails. How to create a signature. 1. Compose the text you want to reuse in an email. 2. Highlight and copy the text. 3. Go to the File tab and select Options. 4. In the Mail category, click Signatures. 5. Click New, give the signature a descriptive name, and click OK. 6. Paste the copied text into the Edit Signature box. 7. Click OK to save. Tasha, how to insert a signature. 1. While composing an email, go to the Message tab. 2. Click on Signature and select the desired signature from the list. Tip: use this feature for inserting common responses or disclaimers into your emails quickly. Using quick parts for reusable text. Quick parts allow you to save and reuse frequently typed text directly in your emails. How to save a selection as a quick part. 1. Compose and select the text you want to save. 2. Go to the Insert tab. 3. Click on Quick Parts in the text group. 4. Select Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. 5. In the dialog box, provide a name, select the appropriate gallery, e.g. Quick Parts, and click OK. How to insert a quick part. 1. Place your cursor where you want to insert the text. 2. Go to the Insert tab. 3. Click on Quick Parts and choose your saved entry. Tip: use quick parts for commonly used phrases, introductions, or standard replies. 3. Using templates for reusable text. Templates are ideal for saving entire email formats, including text, formatting, and attachments. How to create a template. 1. Compose a new email with the content you want to save as a template. 2. Go to the File tab and select Save As. 3. In the Save As Type dropdown, choose Outlook Template.oft. 4. Provide a name for the template and click Save. How to use a template. 1. Go to the Home tab. 2. Click on New Items, More Items, choose Form. 3. In the Look-in dropdown, select User Templates and File System. 4. Choose the desired template and click Open. Tip: templates are perfect for newsletters, event invites, or emails requiring consistent formatting. Boost your productivity by using these features. You can significantly enhance your email efficiency. Signatures: simplify adding standard text blocks. Quick parts: let you reuse commonly used phrases or sentences. Templates allow for complete email formatting and content reuse.